Alright, so in this lesson, we are gonna see tree map analysis of confirmed cases. So we'll be utilizing Plotly Express tree map method. Let's go ahead and get started with this tree map. We need to first take a full data. So I'm gonna take their full latest data, which we have with df, and then there is df date is equal to max, and then we have their df, and then finally with the date. All right, then we have here fig is equal to px dot tree map, and in this tree map I'm gonna take the full underscore latest dot sort values. All right, and then we have here by is equal to confirmed cases, then there we have ascending is equal to false. All right, then I'm gonna reset this index. What is happening here? Actually, I have taken this full data set and the latest full data set, and then I have sorted the values by confirmed cases, and it is sorted in descending order. Then I have reset the indexes, and after while resetting the index I'm gonna put their drop is equal to true. All right, and then after that I'm gonna provide the path. All right, so the country is the path, so the path I'm gonna put their country, and then I'm gonna also put their province and state, and apart from that I'm gonna put their values is equal to confirmed, and then we have their height is equal to 700. All right, so we have here a title is equal to number of confirmed cases. All right, then we have here color discrete sequence is equal to px dot colors. Then we have here qualitative dot dark 2. All right, so this is the color, okay, in a discrete sequences, and now I'm gonna put there fig dot data. All right, so either you can do like this, fig dot data, and then the 0 dot text info. All right, is equal to, in the text info we are gonna put their label plus text and then plus value. So there we are gonna put this value of this confirmed cases, and then this confirmed the country values. All right, and apart from this we are gonna just put their fig dot. So with this you will see there, I think there is some error, let me see, yes, it's here. All right, so you have here tree map analysis for the confirmed cases, and in this you see the maximum cases are in United States. Then we have Spain, Italy and United Kingdom. Then we have here Russia as well, France, Germany, Brazil, Turkey, Iran, China, Canada, and there is India as well. Belgium, Netherlands, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, and all those countries which have a less number of cases. Alright, so this is how you can do for the confirmed cases. Let's go ahead and plot it for the death as well. So you can just copy it and then you can paste it here. Then you can give its name as death cases, and there I'm gonna put here deaths. Alright, put here deaths, number of death cases. Alright, let's go ahead and plot it. Once you plot it, then you will see there death cases. In United States, we have here 78.795 thousand death. Then we have UK, Italy, Spain, and France, Brazil, Iran, and other countries. Alright, so this is all about in this lesson. Thanks for watching.